makes lamb, we often make souvla, which is a Cypriot dish prepared on a spit on the front yard. Yeah, just like my fat Greek wedding. But not today. I'm glamming it up. I partnered with True Aussie Lamb, bringing you these big, fat, juicy, restaurant-style Australian lamb chops with an orange glaze and an Asian twist. Grab your aprons, let's cook. Hey guys, what is up? So first to get started, we need to make the orange Asian glaze. You want 2 green onions and ginger. So you want to wash your green onions. Always wash your herbs. In fact, I think I'm going to do a little video on how to prep when you come home from the grocery store. It just makes it so much easier when you're cooking. But something like green onions, you actually can't wash these ahead. You have to wash them as you go. Divide and separate the dark greens from the light greens. So the light greens you saute, and the dark greens we're going to save as garnish. A great little tip, take a little teaspoon and then just peel your ginger, and you'll see that the skin just easily removes and none of the actual meat of the ginger removes. So you can get in all those little nooks and crannies and easily peel the ginger. Best way is to slice along the grain so there's no resistance. So ginger is very sort of fibrous. It's a root. We need 1 tablespoon minced fresh ginger and 2 garlic cloves, minced. Now you want to heat a 2-quart pot over medium-low heat and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or canola oil, whatever you use. Once your oil is heated, add your garlic, the whites of your green onions, and your ginger. A little bit of red pepper flakes. So this would just give it a little zing. Saute this until tender, about 45 seconds to a minute. So once you smell the garlic, once you smell the ginger, that's when you know it's good to go. So next into the pot, rice vinegar, and quickly add your low sodium soy, so we don't want them to reduce. The 1/3 cup orange marmalade. Give it a stir. And 2 tablespoons sugar. And star anise, which is a black licorice flavor. And you just want to toss 2 of those right in there. Hover the heat about medium-low, and we're just going to bubble it for about 2-3 minutes. Perfect glaze, the perfect texture. As long as it coats the back of a spoon, run your finger across it as long as it doesn't drip, it's good to go. And the French refer to that as nappe. It's coating the back of a spoon. We're going to remove it from the heat and prepare our lamb. Look at these bad boys. These are big, fat mamas. So these are about 1.5 inches thick. So I'm using Australian lamb. I have 8 lamb loin chops, and these are fat and meaty and really amazing. I made these the other day. Wow, they were so good. So I'm so pumped to share these with you today. So I'm going to go out and heat my grill over medium heat. And now we want to oil all the way around and salt and pepper on both sides. Now before you're preparing any meats across the board, this is just a rule of thumb, always take them out of your refrigerator 30 minutes before. You want to remove the chill. We don't want to shock the meat going from a cold refrigeration into a hot heated grill, pan, or skillet. So always take it out 30 minutes ahead. You want to brush your grill grates with oil. Never use a wire brush. Those wire bristles can break off onto your grill grates, and then you could actually ingest that, which is so dangerous. Don't do that. I just take a paper towel, a heavy duty paper towel, and I oil it liberally, and then just give it a quick brush. Simple. Add your chops, and we're going to grill these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium rare. So now halfway through grilling, you don't want to flip it. You just want to turn it 90 degrees so you get those beautiful hatch marks. So that gives you even caramelization for good flavor. Give it a flip. You don't have to be a chef to cook like one. Super easy. Key thing, don't touch it. Don't tinker with it. Let it be. Let it cook. I'm gonna remove them to rest 8 minutes. You wanna get fancy when you get ready to garnish your plate. A little food styling trick. Yes, I used to food style for live TV. So you're gonna take the tip of your knife, cutting it on a bias. It's on an angle. Makes for a really pretty presentation. See that? Because you're fancy. If your glaze has tightened up, don't worry. All you have to do is just add a splash of water, just a splash, and rewarm it on low heat, and then it'll be nice and loose and pliable. If you love this glaze, you may want to double up the recipe. So good. Just take your brush and brush both sides with the glaze. Take your favorite platter, even if it's any night of the week. Why not? You deserve it. Garnish with some fresh mint and our beautiful green onions. And now we gotta give it a taste. Oh, cooked perfect, a perfect medium rare. So medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes on each side with the lid, the grill lid up, gives you a perfect medium rare. Again, if you want it medium, all you're gonna do is transfer your chops to the indirect side, which is the non-lit side of your grill, and lower the lid for another 1 to 2 minutes, and that'll give you medium doneness. The glaze is money. Super easy to whip it together. It just cuts through the richness of the lamb with that fresh acidity and that sweetness from the orange marmalade. A little extra sugar. This is so delicious. You're gonna love it. If you love lamb, or even if you don't, give it a try. These lamb chops are fire. And there you have it, an Australian lamb dish that you can make at home. And when you start with good quality fresh ingredients, cooking from scratch is easy because you can. If you like this video, you learned something, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. I do roll out a new homemade, made easy recipe video each week. And if you want to check out more of my other recipes, you can click this video link right here or click this one. And I'll meet you over there.